All right, everybody. I have put together something pretty cool for the coronavirus, and I want to give it away to everybody for free because I think during this downtime, everybody could perhaps make themselves a little better. So I've read a lot of books on spirituality, improving yourself, mindset, what the most successful people in the world do, what you should do to be happy, things you should do to live a healthy, happy, long life, longevity, that sort of thing, how to take care of yourself, good habits, things you can do. And I've put together a list of about 50 habits based upon all the books, the studies, the research, everything I've read. I got the idea from James Clear and his book Atomic Habits. The idea is a lot of people think habits take a few days to make, or maybe 21 days is the kind of key thing. But that's actually completely false. Most habits take at least 66 days before they become automatic, before they kind of come in below the radar and we just do them every single day without thinking about it. And the average is anywhere from 2 months to 8 months. Now, consistency is important, but not falling off the wagon is also pretty important. And so the idea here is to master great habits and to make them subconscious. And so that's what I want to talk about. Now, here is a list of habits. You can see all these habits. Okay. The last one is to actually fill out the habit tracker. The gratitude journal, I built this as well. So basically you can just put anything you want in here. I am grateful for my friendship with somebody. I am grateful for my family, my best friend, whatever. Every single day, you just type in a one-line thing that you're grateful for, okay? Now, we can come over here to the habit tracker, and we can see how that works out, okay? So, pop it in here. And you basically just grab something from here, like this, copy, Control-C, go over here, Control-V, and just paste it in, okay? I just grabbed a few, put them in. What this sheet does, it'll track your best streak, your current streak, and your total reps. So, for example, if you were to start on January 1st, and I know it's April 11th at the time of making this video, all you got to do is if you do the habit, you type an X. So let's say I actually did this one here. Boom, did it. Now my reps went up to 11. We're actually here at the end. I'm on a streak of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the goal is to have a current streak of 66 or better, right? Of waking up at sunrise in this case. So if I wake up at sunrise, boom, current streak is 6. My reps matter though too, because at the end of the year, 365 days, I have a chance for 365 reps, or somewhere a little bit lower than that. And then a best streak, that's how many streaks I'm doing. So now my current streak is tied with my best streak. So if on the 17th I do it, boom, now it's 7. Pretty awesome, right? So that's how it works. You can do that for every single one of them. You can add a new one in. I've just kind of filled it out to show you what it looks like. You can see this one. Nope, nothing happening. But if I start doing it, now my current streak's working. Okay. Let's say I miss a day. You can just scroll over a little bit. And again, reps matter. Not falling off the wagon matters. Current streak matters. Then there's a little gamification to keep track of your best streak. And of course, the idea is to try to make your best streak 66. And then from 66, try to get to 5 months and 6 months. And you can track anything you want. I'd recommend maybe tracking 5 to 10 at a time. You could do a bunch though too. I mean, some of these habits are pretty instinctual. Waking up, okay, that one's pretty easy. You either do it or you don't. Waking up at sunrise is shown to be better with your circadian rhythm, with different heart disease and different things, that sort of thing. Prayer and meditation is known to help with anxiety and depression. Making your bed, I learned that one from a Marine. Basically, the first thing that he did every morning is made his bed because he knew if he could make his bed, then he could do the next thing and the next thing. And making your bed's pretty easy. You wake up, you make your bed, and now you can go on to the next thing. Daily one-line gratitude journal. Showing gratitude for something every single day can take 10 seconds. I'm grateful that I can share this habit tracker with everybody now. Boom, done. Next day. I'm grateful a lot of people are tracking their habits and trying to become better. Boom, done. Like, right, just come up with something you're grateful for because it creates all kinds of endorphins, makes you happier. And when you are grateful, surprise, surprise, you actually get more blessings and good things in return. Did you know if you read just about 15 to 20 pages a day, you could read 20 to 30 books a year? It's really all it takes. So if you want to read a lot more, perfect habit there. Scriptures, meditation, really good one. Read any sacred text. Brushing your teeth twice a day, just a good habit, really. More important is actually flossing your teeth. Literally, by flossing your teeth, you can prevent heart disease, you can prevent all kinds of issues related to your teeth, and it's a longevity thing. Cardio exercise. You want to get your heart breathing. Like, you need that every single day. You need a little bit of that. 30 minutes or more is kind of the key, 4 to 5 times a week, so would be a good one to track. Anaerobic exercise matters as well, though. You have to strengthen your muscles, and you have to put some load on them so that they'll not weaken over time, because our bodies are basically weakening over time. Drinking water matters. I didn't really say how much, 80 ounces, 60 ounces, whatever feels good for you, but you should drink a lot of water every day. Walking matters. Walking 10,000 steps a day is important because you need to get up and move around. That one actually goes along with one down here that I put on standing. Stand at least 1 minute every hour for 12 hours per day. Sitting too long is pretty bad, so you could combine those two. If you're smoking, if you're drinking, if you're vaping, stop those. Playing a racket sport. This one's an interesting one. I learned this one from Dr. Daniel Amen. He's a famous brain doctor. I forget the technical term. But he talks about how, for him in particular, it's table tennis or ping pong. But it connects so many different parts of the brain together, and just doing that every single day is really, really good for you. It's one of the best things you can do for brain health. Same with chess. Same with games like Sudoku and different things like that. Taking your medication, good reminder to do it. That could also be like vitamins. Vitamin D is really good, especially in the winter time if you're in places that don't get as much sun. Quality time with your children, your significant other. Probably the surest way to avoid issues and divorce would be to check that one up. Again, this is a self-assessment. You got to kind of be real with yourself whether you do it or not. Resting 1 day every 7 is a good idea. Just to let yourself go. We all know the dangers of soda. Did you know it's actually bad to eat food after 8 p.m.? You'll be fatter if you are eating after 8 p.m. or whenever you go to bed. If you go to bed at like 1 a.m., then you need to not be eating at 11, but that's another one. Probably shouldn't be going to bed at 1 a.m. You should early to bed, early to rise, Ben Franklin quote, right? There's actually some negativity with caffeine, believe it or not. All of my research from all the different books and doctors and people I've studied said you probably shouldn't be eating or drinking any sort of caffeine. There's a lot on there, right? Again, I don't have them all. I put the last one as filling this out, but this video is getting a little long. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want this, just go ahead and say good habits in the comment section, and I will get this set up for you so you can start tracking your habits and messing around with some things. I think I probably will do some things with this in the future as well, but for now I want everybody to use it, mess around with it, and you'll see me starting to use it too. So hope this helps. Hopefully everybody's staying healthy and happy, and if you're not, I can promise you that if you start using this habit tracker and doing the things that I've put together, along with some other things maybe that you're struggling with, you will be much, much happier in the future. So good luck. Hope it works out well for you. I'm excited. I'm excited for you to try it out as well. Thanks.